Concern in Colleton County over a proposed gas plant. It would bring together two of the state's biggest energy providers and could power more than 1 million homes.
But environmental advocates say the risks outweigh the rewards. News 2's Kitty Fonvangsa explains.
Dozens of people lined up here outside of Dominion Energy to protest against the Kennedy's gas plant project, citing environmental and health concerns. Advocates say they are trying to raise awareness about the plan for a 2,200 megawatt Kennedy's gas plant near the Edisto River, which Dominion Energy and Santee Cooper would run jointly at the site of a former coal plant, leaving residents concerned about the health impacts.
This is where a coal plant stood for over 4 decades. That community already dealt with increased rates of asthma and cancer. And now we have more fossil fuel polluting industry trying to move into that exact same spot.
The Southern Environmental Law Center contracted the Harvard Data Science Center for a study on potential impacts of the plant. The study claims the plant would emit significant levels of fine particulate matter, an air pollutant that can cause serious health issues like heart attack, pneumonia, cancer, and more. There is no safe level of exposure to fine particulate matter. But the study claims Colleton County would be most impacted, with the pollution spreading into other areas of the Lowcountry and even as far as Georgia. The study estimates nearly $28 million annually in healthcare-related costs. Santee Cooper refuting those claims, telling me in part, quote, "The study referenced by protesters is flawed. It is based on the performance of older models, broad assumptions, overestimations, and modeling that isn't even approved by the EPA. The public and transparent permitting process for this station will require full science-based environmental assessment and input." Protesters also raising concerns about the environmental impacts of the proposed Kennedy's plant.
The Edisto is part of the Ace Basin, which has been called one of the last great places. It's a genuine environmental treasure. And this project, for the maybe 50 years of service that we'll get from it, is going to impact things that have taken centuries and thousands of years to come to us in the state that they're in.
Dominion Energy disagreeing with proven technology and state-of-the-art environmental protections. This reliable, highly efficient natural gas-fueled facility will help secure South Carolina's energy future. The outcry over the proposed plant comes amid backlash over a data center also being proposed in Colleton County.
People don't know that their energy bills will be going to what was last year a $2.5 billion, is this year a $5 billion project. And people don't know that this is all being done to fuel data centers. So right now we're getting the word out.
Dominion Energy saying that's not entirely true. They say they've never attributed the need for the plant to data centers, and that a proposed nearby data center is not even in Dominion's service territory. Dominion also saying the data center will actually benefit the local economy, creating jobs in the area and pouring millions in revenue back into the community. But environmental groups are not convinced. People I spoke to are asking for Dominion to invest in renewable energy instead of creating the gas plant. In North Charleston, Katie Fonvangsa, Count on 2.